Hello, everyone. Welcome back to yet another episode of Babylon's Kidcast. Today, we have another SE aspiring student, and she is very talented. Her name is Risika Dahal, and she has the aim to score 3.88 GPA in her SE exams. Welcome to the Kidcast, Rishika.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
How are you?
I am extremely delighted to be here today and, getting opportunity to do this with you. I'm overwhelmed.
I'm glad. So, how's 10th grade going?
I have to say it's very pressurizing, not being able to sleep at the time you want to and like doing the assignments, the workload is like very much. And I have to say it's very hard to manage time also and it's pressurizing me a lot.
I see. Well, it's pretty tough. So, you have a targeted GPA of 3.88, right?
Yes.
So, what are your stepping stones to reach that target?
I feel like, I have a daily routine when I go, I start studying on the subjects that I feel like I'm a little weak at, and then I have a good handwriting, but then I have a very bad writing speed, so that demotivates me as well. And I try setting timers and doing it on like time and completing my assignments like that.
That's very good. So, how do you tackle the subjects that you say you're weak at? How do you approach them? And
I have a gadget, like I use my laptop and like social media platforms like YouTube and like Topper also. And then like I look for the questions that I'm bothered by them, and I ask sometimes help to my friends also. So they help me also, and then like I ask to the teachers. So like they teach me. So yeah.
how have the teachers at Babylon been supporting you through your journey so far?
They're like really nice. They motivate me to work harder and be a good person like each and every day. And they teach us a lot of things, new things, which encourages us to do good.
That's very good. So, you said like the workload is very, very high in your 10th grade. So, how are you balancing your studies and your other responsibilities or hobbies?
Like I have to say the first thing I'm prioritizing is like study. Obviously, you are in 10th grade and you have to balance it because your parents are expecting so much from you and everyone else also. And then like there are many hobbies, like I like to watch a lot of series and dramas. But then, my parents think that I'm not studying at all. And that's why I prefer to study more these days. Like I am very bad at OMEDs, I have to say, I have to admit that. That's why I give almost 1.5 hours to OMEDs, and then I work hard on it. So yeah, I think I'll be doing something good.
Okay. So when you study, it's like, oh, as you go along, you tend to forget like subjects or content that you studied earlier, right?
Yes.
So revision is obviously very important. So how do you manage revision? Is it like weekly or daily revision, or how do you do revision? How do you approach revision?
I do weekly revisions, like, you get holidays on Saturday. Like, I'm a vehicle student and I have to wake up at 5:40 in the morning.
Wow.
And then, yeah, I know it's very hard, and like, you sleep late at night doing the assignments and chatting with your friends, or, you know.
Yeah.
And then, like, I do revisions on Saturday, like mostly OMAT, science, CMATs, and other technical and theoretical subjects as well.
Mm-hmm.
And I think we have to give almost time to like the subjects like equally. Like you should not like be like, I'm good at that subject so I leave it. No, it's not like that. You have to like balance it. So yeah, I balance all the subjects. I revise them weekly, one day science, one day CMATs, and all the seven subjects.
That's very good. That's a good plan. That's very solid.
Yes.
So, going back to your question on workload, you're not getting enough sleep. How do you manage your stress during these times?
Like it's very hard, like waking up at 5 and like sleeping at 10 or 11. and like managing it is like quite hard. Like you might get anxiety and stuff like that from it, but then yeah, like you manage it anyhow. So you have to be
So it's a learning process along the way.
yes.
Yeah. Okay. And so what are your goals after the SE exams? Do you have any future plans?
No, I have not decided it. Like, now my like the basic focus is SE examinations. Like, I need to get like the targeted marks because my parents and my teachers are expecting a lot from me, and I need to do it for myself also to prove
Exactly.
myself to everyone.
Exactly.
And so like I don't know, but I'm really interested in baking and stuff. So
Oh,
like
wow.
after 10th grade, like the holidays that you get for almost like 3 months, I feel like I will join some baking classes and then think about my future, like like enjoying it. I'll enjoy it. I'll try to enjoy it.
Okay. So 10th grade, you're focusing everything on your studies,
Yes.
but obviously, like you said, you're staying up late and you're waking up at 5:40. So it's very important that you get enough rest, you eat good. Like it's very important that you care about your health, right? It's easy to like step away from your studies if you don't have good health. So how are you taking care of your health?
I don't know. I don't get sick that easily.
That's very good.
And
That's a really good quality to have.
And then, like the morning times, I have a lot of difficulties waking up that I cannot open my eyes, so I use eye drop. And then, like, it's pretty embarrassing that you fall asleep in class and your teacher is constantly
yeah.
poking at you. But then, like, I have improved that a lot. Nowadays, I don't sleep at class, and
That's good. So, what's one advice that you would like to give to all the aspiring SE students out there?
Mm, I have to say that, like, I am also appearing SE this year, so I don't have a lot of experiences. But then, like, I think practicing from the set book is really important because, like, you get a lot of questions and, like, practicing from the previous year and, like, working on your writing speed and, like, not, like, basically, you have, like, whatever you understood, like, just like focus on that rather than like reading it one day before exam and like appearing the exam. I feel like that's how we procrastinate every day. Like I'll do it tomorrow, but then you're not doing it, and that's what demotivates us.
Yeah, tomorrow never comes.
Yes.
So, thank you, Rishika. I had a great time talking to you today. I hope you do very good and achieve your targeted marks in your SE exams.
Thank you, ma'am.